Trying to eat lighter without feeling hungry all the time? These avocado tortillas are filling thanks to protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They work hot or cold, freeze well, and hold together when you wrap them. Make once, eat all week. No empty carbs, no afternoon crash, just real balance. Let's make them. Start by peeling a ripe avocado. Scoop it into a blender. Add the eggs, oat flour, cornstarch, psyllium, baking powder, salt, and oregano. Blend until smooth. Let the batter sit for 10 minutes. The psyllium needs time to thicken the mix. Line a tray with parchment. A little water underneath helps it stick. Lightly grease the top of the paper with a bit of oil. Keep watching. 2 filling ideas at the end, sweet and savory. Spoon 2 tablespoons of batter per tortilla. I made 6 total. Spread into thin circles. Bake until set and lightly golden. Let them cool. Then pack into a zip bag and freeze. In the morning, just reheat in a pan and fill them right there. My go-to savory version: a little cheese, hummus, soft scrambled egg, cherry tomatoes, and arugula. Wrap it all up, and it keeps me full for hours. No snacking, no crash. And when I'm in a sweet mood, yogurt, banana, crushed nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Wrapped up warm, and honestly, I like my life better in those moments. Full recipe and macros are in the description. Cooking the food that loves you back. Karina.